Experience the unparalleled ease and efficiency of Stonepark screw-on, proudly Canadian and meticulously crafted to simplify your installation process. Our screw-on stone seamlessly merges the simplicity of siding with the timeless allure of authentic stone, creating a harmonious fusion of modern and contemporary aesthetics. Safety equipment and tools needed. When undertaking a Stonepark screw-on installation, safety should always be a priority. Here are some essential safety tools and equipment to consider. By prioritizing safety and using the appropriate tools and equipment, you can ensure a smooth and secure veneer screw-on installation process. In exterior applications, it's crucial to waterproof the surface properly. Start with installing standard drip flashing and water-resistive barrier. You have the flexibility to start with either the outer or inner corners of your project area. When working on inner corners, utilize the flat edge pieces, ensuring that the bottom extension of the metal clip is placed on the flashing for proper alignment. This will automatically create drainage space for the complete wall section. Secure the first piece in place, ensuring it is firmly anchored. Once installed, take a moment to verify its levelness, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your desired layout. This meticulous attention to detail will lay the foundation for a precise and visually pleasing installation. As you proceed with installing the first row, reaching the end of the wall will require making necessary cuts to ensure a proper fit. During this process, it's common for stones to be cut to accommodate the layout. In instances where the available space allows for only one metal clip, as illustrated, it's crucial to cut the stone accordingly. Position the metal clip precisely at the center of the cut piece. This strategic placement ensures optimal anchoring and stability for the stone within the installation. By adhering to this method, you maintain both the structural integrity and visual consistency of the overall installation. As part of the installation process, all corner pieces should be cut to create both left and right corners. When cutting these pieces, ensure that the cut sides are installed towards the inside where the flat stile will meet it. To maintain a seamless appearance and prevent the formation of vertical lines, it's imperative to install Stonepark screw-on stones in such a way that they overlap the joint from the previous layer. This technique ensures a cohesive and visually appealing result. Every metal clip provided must be securely screwed to the wall during installation. It is strictly prohibited to skip clips, as this compromises the stability of the installation. When installing inner corners, it may be necessary to trim the stone edges in order to ensure a precise fit. In the event that the upper extension of the metal clip obstructs the locking of the upper stone clip into place, gently flatten the space guide pins to facilitate insertion of the upper stone slip. When installing sills on your windows, you have two options depending on the available space and your preference. If there is ample space, you can proceed by using screws to securely attach the sills to the walls. This method ensures a straightforward installation process and provides reliable support for the sills. Alternatively, if space is limited, you can opt for a different approach. Flatten the space guide pins, then secure galvanized metal lath to the area. Next, cut off the top extension of the metal clip and apply construction glue to adhere it securely in place, as demonstrated. These two options offer flexibility to accommodate varying installation scenarios, ensuring that your sills are securely and seamlessly installed to enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your windows. Once the sills are leveled, you can continue installing the rest of the stones according to your predetermined layout. Take care to maintain consistency in the placement of the stones, ensuring that they overlap the joints from the previous layers to avoid continuous vertical lines. Ensure there is a consistent 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch space left around any openings, such as windows and doors, to allow for proper caulking. For installations requiring a horizontal piece less than 3 inches in height, it may be necessary to trim the metal clips and affix the veneer directly using an appropriate construction adhesive. As you approach the final row to complete your wall, you may need to horizontally cut the stones as necessary to fit the remaining space. Ensure to use the bottom half of the cut stone for a proper fit. If required, the bottom extension of the metal clip behind the stone can be cut to accommodate the cut stone. For the last row of cut stones, it's essential to fasten them securely using suitable construction adhesive. If building paper is utilized as a water-resistive barrier, galvanized metal lath must be installed with proper corrosion-resistant nails or screws every 16 inches to the framing, and we recommend adding more fasteners in between for added reinforcement. Before affixing the stones, apply adhesive to the metal clip, ensuring the complete back of the metal clip is covered with adhesive at a minimum thickness of 1/4 inch. Additionally, it's recommended to apply more adhesive to the back of the stone, approximately 3/4 inch thick, every 6 inches to provide extra bond and ensure a strong and durable installation. This meticulous approach ensures the stability and longevity of your final row of stones, completing your wall with precision and reliability. After completing the installation of all your Stonepark screw-on stones, the next step is to install your accessories using a suitable adhesive. Ensure that the adhesive is approximately 3/4 inch thick to provide adequate support and bonding strength for the accessories. Apply the adhesive to the back of each accessory, covering the entire surface evenly with the recommended thickness. Carefully position the accessory in its desired location, pressing it firmly against the wall to ensure proper adhesion. Take care to align the accessory correctly and double-check its positioning before allowing the adhesive to set. Following these steps will ensure a secure and long-lasting attachment of your accessories, adding the final touches to your Stonepark screw-on installation. Opting for Stonepark screw-on installation offers a convenient and efficient way to enhance your space with the timeless beauty of stone. By following proper safety protocols and estimating materials accurately, you can achieve a stunning result that complements your aesthetic vision.